Hi, thanks for visiting us here at T Equipment. Today we're going to be talking about the Seek Thermal Reveal series of cameras. So there are quite a few options, and today we're going to break it down so you can really pick the best one for your application. So, we've got a lot of cameras in front of me. Let's start with the simplest one. Here we've got the standard reveal. So this is a great camera, and it's ruggedized. It's got a flashlight. All of the reveal models are going to be in the same form factor with the same screen and really have the same menu style with some exceptions. And this model, it's got a 206 by 156 sensor. This one is black, which indicates that it's the XR model. So this is the Reveal XR Black. Also comes in camo. This is the Reveal Fast Frame. So it's not an XR variant, which means it has a standard focal length and is good for short to medium thermal inspections. This is better around the house, whereas the XR model is really designed for use outdoors, whether you're looking for wildlife or you're using it in a law enforcement search and rescue capacity. Those are the people who want the XR. But this is a fast frame version. So what's fast frame? Fast frame means that it has a 15 hertz refresh rate, which makes it better for looking at anything that's moving, or if you're scanning, it can make it a lot more convenient to use a camera which has a higher refresh rate. The reason a lot of cameras stop at 9 hertz is because anything over 9 hertz is considered controlled for export, and you need to get a license in order to take it out of the country. Whenever you're looking at a Seek Thermal Reveal, the FF in the top left corner means that it's a fast frame camera, and you can't take it out of the country unless you want the FBI knocking on your door. Here we have the XR Fast Frame Black. So this is really the combination of the two cameras we just looked at. This will have the extended range. It's good to about 900 yards for any of the XR cameras. So you have your base reveal. All of them are going to have the 206 by 156 sensor. And then you could have it extended range, you could have it fast frame, or you could have it both. If you're getting an extended range camera, you can get it in black or camouflage. They really try and gear it towards the outdoor consumer. Here, in our carbon fiber body, with the FF for fast frame, as you can tell, is the Seek Thermal Reveal Pro. Now the Pro is going to have a much bigger sensor and a few more on-camera temperature modes than any of the other models. This model is also significantly more expensive, whereas the Reveals are around $400 with some variations. The Reveal Pro is $699. Now it justifies that high price point by having a very powerful thermal sensor. It has a 320 by 240 thermal array. And that makes it comparable to cameras that are $3,000. So you can get really sharp, stunning thermal images for under $1,000 with the Seek Thermal Reveal Pro. This is geared towards professional technicians who need to use thermography on a regular basis and need to get high quality imagery. The last reveal model is the Fire Pro. Now this is going to have the same sensor as the Reveal Pro, but it's been optimized for use in the fire professions. Now, most firefighting thermal imaging cameras are very expensive because they need to be highly survivable and optimized for use by firefighters, often which they can't can't operate complex little electronics because of they need to use a gloved hand. They don't have a lot of time. They can't futz with that. So the interface on the Fire Pro has been stripped down for the firefighting professional. It's going to have a greater than 15 hertz refresh rate, as indicated by our FF, and it'll have the 320 by 240 sensor array of the Reveal Pro. You can also attach a D-ring to it, clip to your turnout gear, and that camera is also has additional survivability ratings. It's been torture tested, so you can feel more confident taking it into the field. And that camera starts at $799. So those are all the Reveal models. You start with the basic, with the 206 sensor, and you can get the telephoto XR option, or you can get the high refresh rate fast frame option, or you can get both. You get the Reveal Pro with the large sensor and additional measurement capabilities, or you can get the Fire Pro, which has the additional survivability ratings. Thanks so much for coming by. Again, my name's Devin, certified thermographer here with T Equipment. If you have any other questions regarding your application, we'd be happy to help in any way we can.